Have you ever felt like you're playing a game where the rules are invisible, and the referee is a machine? That's the world we're stepping into, governed by what I call the algorithm of consent. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. From the loan you apply for, to the healthcare you receive, and even the job opportunities you see, AI is the unseen hand guiding major life decisions. We're told these systems are objective, but that's an illusion. Every algorithm is built by humans, and they carry our hidden biases with them. Take predictive policing, for example. It sounds futuristic, but in reality, it often reinforces existing social inequalities, targeting certain neighborhoods and creating a cycle of suspicion. It's a chilling example of how an algorithm's decision can have profound impacts on human rights and whether a community truly consents to being governed this way. So what happens when code effectively becomes law? This is the consent conundrum. What does it even mean to consent when a machine has already decided your fate based on data points you might not even know exist? The option to simply opt out is vanishing. AI is being woven so seamlessly into our daily lives that refusing to participate is becoming almost impossible. We've seen this in automated systems that deny people essential benefits without a clear reason, or in algorithmic hiring tools that reject qualified candidates before a human ever sees their resume. People are left fighting a faceless system, struggling to even get a chance to appeal a decision made by a string of code. It's just a fundamental shift in the power dynamic between individuals and the systems that are supposed to serve them. But here's where it gets interesting: humans are pushing back. We're seeing cracks appear in the machine. Grassroots movements and digital activists are rising up, demanding transparency and challenging the unchecked power of these AI gatekeepers. There's a popular idea called human in the loop, suggesting that just having a person oversee the AI is enough to prevent harm. But this is often a fallacy. If the human supervisor is just rubber stamping the machine's decision without truly understanding it, the system remains broken. The most fascinating part is the unexpected resistance. People are finding clever, creative ways to subvert or even trick algorithms, whether it's by feeding them confusing data or organizing to overwhelm the system. It's just a reminder that human agency is resilient and will always find a way to reassert itself against rigid, computational logic. However, compliance comes at a cost. When we know an algorithm is watching, it creates a chilling effect, subtly changing our behavior and reshaping societal norms. We start to self-censor, to conform, to become more predictable data points for the machine. The new battlegrounds are being drawn right now, and the fight is for our digital self-determination and the right to hold these algorithms accountable. The warning signs are clear. We're on a path that could lead to a future where human agency is reduced to little more than input for a vast, unfeeling system. Is that the society we want to build? Or can we reclaim our will? The good news is, we can. The first step is empowering ourselves. We need to get educated, to understand how these systems work, and learn how to navigate them. We must advocate for policy solutions that demand transparency, explainability, and clear ways to seek redress when an AI makes a mistake. We need laws that force companies to show their work. Most importantly, we need to start designing for human dignity. We can build ethical AI frameworks that prioritize individual will and human values over pure computational efficiency. The goal isn't to stop progress, but to steer it in a direction that serves humanity, not the other way around. It's time to rewrite the algorithm of consent, together. Thanks for watching, and if this conversation matters to you, be sure to subscribe for more.